Welcome to the social media countdown burritos. Oh God, I know I'm gonna catch a Niger boy dance, but boy, you can't imagine not doing how to do this dance. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to another social media countdown. Oh God, I hope that you guys are staying safe and are enjoying the time. We are making our way to the weekend. We are this close. Now, originally, this video is supposed to have, it was supposed to be posted on Wednesday, but, people busy and life is being had. So just bear with me. But anyhow, we have a whole heap of topics to talk about. We have Marion Hall, Sean Paul, and Brick and Lace, and so much more, especially with the whole Dolly Sunday saga. So let's get into it right now.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things that going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them talk me out what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Alright, burritos, so before we jump into the thick of the countdown, I forgot to talk about this story with Jrey and his co-worker Walk and Talk. It looked like the two might be at odds. There was some disagreement that happened, and this is how it went. So there I was, and all of a sudden I recognized that Walk and Talk posted this to his Instagram story, and this is what it read. It read that sometimes it's just upside down. So same time I said, what the hell is going on? He went on to make another post where I said loyalty accord. And I'm like, no man, some things is into something. And then now you have this other post now where Jrey jumped in and said, at real Walk and Talk, Jaii, remember say, yeah, go live for this me at 5 p.m. Don't change your mind now. The show must go on. Because of course, Walk and Talk did say they're going to go live for clear the air and make the people them know where going. So I'm like, boy, me not like this none at all. In the midst of all of that Walk and Talk, all I put up on him story, song will look like it was allegedly throwing words on Jrey. So some people were speculating that this is just like a gimmicks, because they do look at gimmicks, so that when them put out another podcast, the views them and the people them even have more interest to go and take a look, and that is understandable because that's marketing, right? So but this did feel a little different because maybe some tension was in the air, because I don't know if you saw this video where Walk and Talk went to a studio, and at the studio you had Valiant as well as Armani, and this very weird moment occurred. Watch.
Yo, Yo, come in and I apologize to Armani.
Stop. That's video for fresh then.
No, more apologize.
No, video fresh.
Yeah, I'll keep that one for post for Armani.
You know the young legend there, right?
No one that tonight and them. No one that young
laughing. Yo, stop. Video man, my youth. That's right, Mark.
Yo, no, because this way I'll video and I laugh. No matter feel comfortable.
I'm going to joke thing in that, brother. Or that didn't like me a celebrity, dog. I swear, that didn't like me a star, bro. I swear, dog. But now I didn't like me a star, bro. If I'm coming out, if I should know me, I would have didn't like that. I try Walk and Talk.
I truly know you're a pussy, man.
On that day, like six like
you move like a pussy.
But anyway, still, I'm on it. Only for respect, I'm here going. No matter what you mean, that I'm here good. Sorry for what me say. Big up yourself.
What you say?
Say that because girls, I'm just feeling away.
No, looking at the camera when
alright, no. I feel away because I don't sing it up them, but overall, it's my biggest song.
Why the song?
Why the song? The song. I don't want a song where I didn't want the song like I promote the song. I want a song about already.
Sing two lines of song we say we really rate the thing.
That's cool, man.
Sing two sign. Hey!
I know your song, man.
You don't know it, generate me.
If I give you the pussy, I'm going to miss you. But you don't fuck
Yeah, man, it looked like some little badness did go on. It looked playful, but you can tell some tension was definitely there, and Walk and Talk looked visibly uncomfortable. You get me? He was doing that awkward, like a laugh thing, and as well the streets would have said, it definitely boy up Walk and Talk. It never did look so good on theme part at all. And if you don't know the backstory, you know that Jrey is very good friends with Armani. Valiant and Armani are cool, and at some point in time, Walk and Talk, he criticized Armani, and it looked like Armani never really too fond of his words. So now with this whole tension between Walk and Talk brewing, it did make people say, wait, maybe this is not a gimmicks thing, maybe this is actually true. And so I did a little bit of digging now, and I go hear, Walk and Talk say, him go leave. Jrey make sure say him go post up and say, no, you didn't just leave, so you were fired. And I go look on the page and I realized that Jrey was still following Walk and Talk. So me are like, no man, this can't that serious. But it looks as if all of the controversy is now settled and they are now at peace, because Walk and Talk, he has put up this now to say that the argument between me and Jrey is not about any female, just a little misunderstanding, and me get upset about the whole situation. And then after that, they both posted a picture with the two of them vibing on stage together, showing, I guess, that there is no unity in the camp. So I'm just happy that it looked like they were able to resolve this in such a quick turnaround time, but hopefully we not have more of them something here, because certain things when they have problem, handle it behind the scenes before they bring it to the media. When it reaches the media, it's supposed to be finalmente time. You get me? So, Berritos, let me know what you make of this entire saga, and what do you think of the moment with Walk and Talk, Valiant, and Armani. Sound off below.
Number 5, Marion return. Okay, Berritos, now, you know, Ladies who used to have all of the boogie yaga sang them of the 90s and early 2000s. She got in a church now. She's now Marion Hall, and yeah, that is that, right? So she recently posted this status, this message to her online supporters, and it sounds like she could possibly be returning to the streets. Listen. I'm about to make some of the hardest decisions I've ever made in my life, which may take me back to a place where I never dream of going back, but seems to be heading back there from this moment on. Lord God, why is Chef going to say that? No, me have to remember the song there. Ah, Lord, from this moment. All right. Whoa, the key, Jesus. All right, I'm going to stop right here. So, yeah, man, so she said, I know that many will curse me out and said they've predicted it. But what can I say? Sometimes you just don't have any fight left. Please do not call my phone or send me any emails trying to find out what's happening with me, because not much true love is out there for me. Anyway, may God help us all in these times. Now she left me with another song. These are some serious times. Oh God, all right. No man, but what the hell could be happening to Marion Hall? Like a couple weeks ago, she mentioned that she used vibrator. She mentioned it in her sermon, said she had to take care of her little clitoris. The lips, them, the labia, and, the secretion and stuff. Because, you understand, like, she doesn't have a partner. So, she human. She gonna get little lonely, she gonna want little, little something between her thighs, little slappage. You understand? And so, coming on the heels of that now, we are now hearing that she seems to be wanting to exit the church. Many people did predict it, and it looked like Marion don't care, because she posted another video, went live, and people are saying that she's now throwing words on Spice and some sort of demonic play that has been happening, and she's being targeted. Watch.
Preaching, and only for you to attack me and do all kind of evil against me. It's best I'm out there with you and you do the evil to me and I deal with you out there. You attack me out there and I will just deal with it. How about that? I come out of here, get out of Christianity, yeah, and you attack me out there. How about that? Face to face that. I'm sick of people messing with me. Sick of you lying about me. Sick about you just attacking you evil people. And there's one person that set up a lot of people against me, and you better pray. Because I'm coming out, I'm going to take you out. Yeah? Because you the one who set up a whole lot of people. You're wicked, you're bad mind, you're grudgeful, you're jealous. And you started this. You started all of this. Yeah? Yeah, so other than family, you set up. I was loved by everybody. And you go out and you put up a lot of false things, and you go on the internet and you put up a lot of lies about me, and you set up people against me, and all I did was give you my open arms, outstretched hands. And I honestly let you in my life and you destroy so much. And even when I got into Christendom, you compete with me. If I say I'm preaching today, all of a sudden, the same day, same time, you say you are church. And you and your friends have sent it over to my phone. You understand? As if, I tell you, if I'm coming out with a song, you come out with something to bar people from paying attention to what I'm doing. And then you make up all kind of lies. Even in Christendom, I leave everything and I come over here and you attack me silently. You don't even know I know people who are with you right there on the ground when you're doing your evil with all them fake phones. And you don't even know they're there, and they say, that person is coming online now. She's talking a lot of stuff right here. She's coming on. She's going to, yeah? And you never leave me alone because you just jealous. You want me to be shut down in a corner. I'm over it. I'm over it. You want to see bad? You really want to see bad? You really want to see who is bad? It's just not even bad, but who is the real talent? Okay, let me just step off out there and handle everything out there then. You want that?
Oh boy, Marion, like, at this point, like, can we get a reality show for all of them dancehall artists here? Because I feel like everybody have struggles and turmoil. Between Queenie Africa, we are going with she, then you have Marion Hall go through for her own struggles. Like, people need help out here, man. Times are very hard, and clearly look like, this Jamaican music industry full up a one bagga, and kias. So, burritos, let me know. Are you here for Ladies are returning to You Can't Grind Good and You Can't Go to It. Turn on the meat, skin it out, pound it. Oh, I fling it up. Whoa, sorry. But I'm sure she mentioned skin it out in one song. But burritos, let me know. Are you here for her returning to dancehall? Sound off below. Number 4, Brick and Lace versus Sean Paul. Alright, so you know the dancehall duo, international pop duo, Brick and Lace for the hit single Love Is Wicked. Yeah, Love Is Wicked, right? And so recently Sean Paul actually, he teamed up with the Bad Boys team, and he has a song on the soundtrack called Light 'Em Up featuring Shenseea, right? But Brick and Lace recently announced that their voice, I think it was Nyla's, I hope I get the name correctly, right? One of the members of Brick and Lace's voice was actually featured on the original, track. But it looked like, so when Sean Paul sent it off to Bad Boys, him remove her vocals, and she does not like it one bit. Listen to what our sister had to say in defense of her.
Hi guys, so I just wanted to add my 2 cents really quickly. I know my sister had made a post about Sean Paul's latest song on the Bad Boy soundtrack. His song goes Light 'Em Up, and she was talking about their similarities with her song, which is called Light It Up. And I think that there is a similarity. I really honestly heard it, and I do think there's a similarity in the cadence. Light it up, and the melody, light 'em up. He goes light 'em up, and she goes light it up. So there is a similarity. And what I just wanted to remind you guys is that yes, this is our livelihood. And sometimes as an artist, as a writer, we can unconsciously use a melody that's similar to somebody else's song, not even know it, you know what I mean? And I feel like as a writer also, I think, yes, we have the right to express it if we hear something, you know what I mean? Obviously, Sean Paul is a legend. We love Sean Paul so freaking much.
Okay, I mean, that's what you're supposed to do. That is your sister. You're supposed to defend her. But like, I feel this is not a Sean Paul issue. Me no know, I'm just not like for see this go on online. Like, you could have angled this behind the scenes. But now, Sean Paul's wife, Jody, has popped up to defend her husband's name, and she did it very classily, but you hear the little shade in there. Listen.
Nyla, I'm not going to diss you. I'm not going to diss you. My millennial growing up, I danced to your bops. I still love them now. I think that you and your sister are very talented. And even though, we don't hear, like, you're not only a good singer, but you're also a good songwriter. So I'm not going to sit here and diss you. What I'm upset about, which is what I've always championed for, right? If you diss my husband, I am going to comment. Here's a problem that I have, right? Mm-hmm. You and Sean are friends. You and Sean have worked together. You have Sean's number. And if you had a problem, you could have called him and you could have said, Sean, this sounded like a familiar to me, you know. I didn't do that. Instead, you went onto your veranda, right? And you said, oh, I have the tea. What tea, Nyla? What tea? Why is this tea? Why is this an argument? What tea? When you come and you start about your tea and you carrying on and whatever, that means it's an argument you want. Sean is not going to give you an argument.
And has never.
That is not how my husband is. That's why I'm sending Bulldog online for the representative.
Girl,
right?
let me see the Muslim. Yeah, girl,
right?
do that.
He's not going to say anything to you.
Me I tell you, like Jodie's uptown, but Jodie is very fierce. I got taught the things them. Jodie remind me of Chrissy Teigen. You know, like how Chrissy Teigen there with John Legend and them very quiet, but them woman very spicy and sassy and we tell you the things them. That's how Sean Paul wife stay. So Brick and Lace, I don't know. Like you must know say love wicked, but the music business wicked too. Them chop off your vice. I just saw you go. Alright, so yeah. Number 3, Kizzie and Dino. Alright, so you know Kizzie done as a social media personality with a very interesting vibe. She have like a weird sound. And Dino creates another social media content creator, right? And so I think a year ago in 2013, Dino put on a party and it was called Polo for Days. And in this party, Kizzie showed up and she went on stage to give him flowers and kiss. And Dino did kind of dismiss her on that very public stage and she never takes so kindly to it.
Kizzie surprised Dino with roses.
Hey TikTok, Dino make me feel bad. I buy my flowers, I bring it to him, and he put it to 450 and he throw it in the crowd. If you don't respect me or my gift, you should just give it back. But to come to think about it, when I see you, I give you my flowers, and before I even come off stage, you put them in 450 Dutty and he gonna throw them in the crowd. And then I drive 1,000 miles, crash my car, and say I want to see you for my birthday because you're my crush. And you give me one dog shit up. Did I stink? I feel shame. It's the worst birthday of my whole life and I'll never forget it. And Dino, God bless you.
Okay, but since then, Kizzie done she do her designer body. She's got very popular. She have her podcast and she's been running the social media streets. And it look like Dino is at a point where him willing to circle back and make things right. Look at him, I guess, trying to apologize for what happened on that public stage.
You're going on. Is it? I'm not that terrible person. You see what I say? But you don't know things that man, you know what I say? Mistake do them. But in a real life.
Fresh
you know the
drop.
Vibe. See, Brie? You don't know the vibe? You want me to tell the vibe? What you want?
No, why you feel like you're wrong the night, why you even feel like you should say that you're sorry? Because honestly speaking, you're not obligated to me. So why you feel like
No, because not even that, you know, not even about obligation, you know. Is it I'm not that person that make girl feel a specific way. Is my
why you don't feel that way?
I never don't feel that way. I think we do the right thing. Is my say.
What was the right thing?
Because in a real life, I prefer to feel somebody ugly, so I have to look. You know, remember that because me not for real, you know.
Oh, so you never see me?
No. See?
Okay.
But you don't know me, they run it to make it look like say you want some terrible. I don't care, you know what I'm saying? You're
terrible for truth, for real tears, you never even have to dash on a piece of flowers and something like, you know?
Pass, I pass, man. You see me? Pass, I pass. So,
okay, consider?
No, I don't really say consider it, but I pass, you know, within the future, and I'm going with a see you live on life. Hey, I'm not lie, still the people them dust me, you know. You see? People them dust me, but, you know.
I'm asking you, this is a public apology for that my rose and stuff. Like, you're really sorry.
So I'm say it.
You didn't say it, no?
One to you.
One to you. I'm sorry, Kizzie. I'm sorry. You can't say that? Say that now?
So, you're out of here, I don't want me to repeat it.
Say it again. Make people in the ear because we have 5,000 people here. 5,000 people over here right now. Make them hear. Tell them. Say you're sorry.
Yeah, so I say. The night there's all your prosecute everybody.
What do you mean, I'm asking you to say that you're sorry. Let the people in the ear, them want ear, them there, so them say them want.
Me I say, no, I genuinely apologize, like, you know. I say I feel that way for real, like about real tears and say, don't know, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I apologize for real. In real life. You see, come on, you feel that way then. First of all, in real life, when me feel somebody hug up me, lucky. You know, elbow you come and say, who this hug me up now?
You not elbow me, you elbow your fans then?
Fresh drop.
All right. Okay. I mean, well, Dino, I mean, applause for you. You're doing the respectful thing. But why does it have to coincide right now with you promoting your party again? Is this marketing? Or is this, is this something really genuine? Because why this could happen some months before? Why it have to correlate with you promoting the same party where you flap the girl pan? Wagwan. Okay, but Kizzie, it looked like she actually have some genuine love for him. So maybe we'll have another social media couple. You have Swiss Beats. You have Swissly and Rebel right now. So maybe there is space for a Dino Crazy and Kizzie. Dan, let me know, burritos. Would you be here for them? Sound of below. Number 2, halfway tree, Jesus, mi Jesus. Okay, all right, so I was just minding my business, making my way downtown. Well, not downtown, because a long time I don't go downtown. Like, the streets don't really love me like, oh, they do somehow. Big up Tanya Stevens with the song there. Yeah, man, but yeah, so there has been a series of videos with this man. He's adorned himself in full white that was walking into the streets of halfway tree with an actual cross pan in back. Watch.
A video, you can see man next door crossing their video. See next man their video, you see it? Another man crossing the road on video. A video shoot. I think I want to have a video shoot. That's one of the hot film. I can't manage when I'm running. I can't manage Jamaica.
No, you tell me no. Like, come on, please believe it or not, Jamaica is never a real place. Like, come on. When I looked around, I see some people are record. So it begs the question, I wonder if it's another dancehall artist that is trying to make him way into the entertainment space and him have to go draw for some sort of gimmickry. But it looked like things never really turned out so well for him and his music video or whatever process he was going through. Maybe him and Marion Hall a friend, and he's also exiting the church as well. And I saw him have to go make a statement out of it. But the police and the popo, then them running, man. Them running and apprehended him as well as the cross. Watch.
With the cross, was it, man? Disturb. Everybody even know about Jano. Get up the right, please. Oh, zoom in.
Police arresting Jesus in halfway tree. Jesus, what are you doing? At the cross for the ground, after Jesus sacrificed himself. Man, I want to lock up Jesus. And first, we see this. Let's take a closer look at Jesus. Hey, leg off of Jesus. Stop being unfair to Jesus. Leg off of Jesus. Why Jesus? Why Jesus? Why Jesus? Wicked.
You know, like if me a policeman, I think me they go do this now, because I don't know if I Jesus, because, God sent back his son. I don't want a bad blessing come take me right now, because if the man did ever like I'll throw a piece of water upon me, like, me go and get a wash off. I am not trusting this, like, this, look at, let me shut my mouth here, because I remember the pastor man did up a man take up behind the something But what would you do, burritos, if you were minding your business and when you look, I want to hear a friend in a half a tree, I walk with you and cross, span them back. Sound off in the comments. Hey Burritos, I need your help. The channel is currently at 297,000 subscribers and I want to get to 300,000. That's a big mark. Now I know you might be wondering why you don't reach 300,000 subscribers already when you have all of this amazing content on the channel. Well, it's because y'all not doing a part. Wanna love the content, so play your part. Subscribe to the TheDuttyBerryShow YouTube channel today. Thank you very much in advance, all right? Yes, road to 300,000. Woo! And number one goes to Dolly Sunday Saga. Woo! Woo! Yes! Wow! Oh God, my word, my sentence, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. I don't know what going in my brain from what they know. I just now remember my little sayings, them like burritos. When they need to get me together, cause the brain not braining. Anyway, so I don't know if you have been living under a rock, but you might not have known that Dolly Sundays has moved from Jamaica and now they are expanding them gone to the United States of America. And so, you know, it was held some time ago in Miami, and I guess things went well, it was successful. And so the organizers, that is, you know, the Dolly them, TC, Rebel, and Pretty, decided to move it to New York. Yes, you know, New York, where Jay-Z and Alicia Keys sing about, yeah man, concrete jungle music. Yeah man, I don't know the whole strips, 360 camera, all kind of things, right? And so when they brought the event there, it was expected to just take off and fanfare, but it never goes so. Pure pandemonium. Watch.
Talk to it.
New York come keep party, because we don't know about New York. We never ask about New York come keep party. When they keep stands, people climb blood clot fence. When they come with this stuff, because we have fight going for them blood clot.
First of all, the people they are the front at the barrier thing, and some of them don't have no ticket, and some people decide to them not pay go in. But nobody don't want to talk about that. Everybody want to come. And trust us, me, I'm a friend them. Cause remember, you know, when the Dolly them do good, they're afraid for talk out on the mouth.
Everything. And when the girl them do good, they never post it yet.
TC, relax.
As on see big something and controversy, on a quick for video, on a move from your song, go man. When I say now, what is video?
So freestyle, everybody tight lip. Nobody not talk.
The people them turn up outside, you know. The people them fully turn up outside on the streets. They could not move. It come like a New Kingston traffic at 5 o'clock. They were stuck and were not being pulled. And so one of the things them, you know, like, I think TC shared that all she did outside too, as well as Pretty. Rebel wasn't there. I think them say Rebel not have our US visa yet or something. It is so clear or whatever. But Rebel wasn't there. But Pretty and TC did it for hold on the Dolly thing them, and they weren't even inside for a majority of the time. But they took an issue with, I guess, the media and many of the fans who were so excited to post that the Dolly Sundays was, you know, struggling. And so TC cussed them off out there. She cussed them right out.
Yeah, some of the people when the negative post, them first and a comment.
Yeah.
Come soon now comment here when I click on it here. It's a follow back. And follow me here.
Do,
please. And follow me. See if you know so they don't genuinely like we, or they genuinely don't support we, and follow we.
Yeah. And don't wait.
And don't wait for things to happen to class with.
I'm
soon here, so they just unfollow me.
Do. Okay. Do. When you come like some bag wagonist, you can't be a leader all over the place. How are we going to buy now? Come on. Really?
Like, only just a wait for the time for just
so them
have something for just bring down somebody.
But yeah, man, so that was just very, very... At the first, Mr. TC cussed like that. And she continued it along with Pretty when they were in the car to just talk about the people who giving a fake love and fake support.
No. New York, don't expect another Dolly Sundays.
Not one.
Not one. No one. Because if you don't want Dolly Sundays, when you just find a way... Jamaica, right inside of Mecca. Jamaica would never, as much as all people speak about Jamaica, me I tell you no, Jamaica people would never, no matter one want to talk about Jamaicans, say, Jamaica
how me see the people them behave last night.
Horrible, like
horrible.
Like animal, bro.
Me never did Jamaica nobody behave so in for go in a no party yet. Never.
The biggest party. You have line. You have nobody no one from the line. Nobody no one.
Hey, hello. I'll know. We're not reaching at the party.
Yeah, we're not going to the party. I'll know. We're not reaching.
I'll know. We're not reaching at the dance. Yeah, Dolly side walk we out the door.
Dolly side walk.
No. You, hold on.
You see.
Me have to take bad things. Me joke. Virgin. We literally outside and we'll go and we talk to the people them.
Because we want everybody to
Because we want everybody for us. You know, in an orderly fashion and just farm a line and me there and me I say big man thing the people them spend them money for come party with we and me tell them say me literally anybody where they dead out they know. I hear when I say I'm not going because the people them cannot go in. I really want the people them going for enjoy themselves. And the people them behave so
bad. Nobody no one from the line.
First of all, the people them they're the front at the barrier thing, and some of them don't have no ticket, and some people decide to them not pay go in. But nobody don't want to talk about that. Everybody want to come. Trust us, me, I'm a friend them. Cause remember, you know. When the Dolly them do good, they're afraid for talk out on no mouth because when they never see say Florida go on good, and me never see the pink wall post and say Dolly Sundays was successful in a Florida, but as the bad, on a quick for post it.
Oh God, man. But Burritos, let me know, what is your thought about this entire situation? Like, only think I just saw them organizational stuff here go on and they will get better in the future? Sound off below. Well, that's it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another top 5 social media countdown. Make sure to say you like, you share, you comment, you subscribe, as well as to follow me on all my platforms at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. And to advertise within the countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow at gmail.com. Take care until next time. Ta-ta!
The dirty, yeah, the berry, yeah, the juicy, yeah, the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them talk me, yo, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.